Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video I'll show you how to fix the verification code not received issue on Discord. So if Discord is not sending you the verification code by email or SMS, just follow these simple fixes. First, you need to check your internet connection. Make sure your Wi-Fi or mobile data is stable and working properly. If the connection seems weak, switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data and then try again. Next, turn airplane mode on for a few seconds and then turn it back off again by tapping on the airplane icon in your control center. After that, make sure you enter the correct email address or phone number linked to your Discord account. Next, check if the Discord needs an update. For that, you need to go to App Store, search for Discord and tap on Update if it appears. If the issue still continues, try reinstalling the Discord app. You need to press and hold the Discord app icon, tap on Remove App and then delete the app. And you can later reinstall it from App Store. If these fixes still don't help you, you can try restarting your phone. For that, you need to press and hold the power button and the volume button together until the power slider appears. Slide to power off your iPhone, wait a few seconds and then turn it back on again. Lastly, the problem could be from Discord server. If there is maintenance or high traffic, verification codes may not be sent properly. So those were some easy ways to fix the verification code not received issue on Discord. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more helpful tutorial. Thank you for watching.